I just finished cutting the grass. I'm about to prank my wife, and it's gonna be funny. Watch. Ah! Go get mommy. Go get mommy. I think I really hurt my back this time. My back. I can't even stand straight. Help me up. Help me up. Fuck. Took you long enough? Shit. It's gonna be a prank. Epic fail, guys. I was there for 6 minutes. What do you expect? You can only act so long.
Come on, get up. We have the kids' Zoom meetings with their teachers today.
What's today?
Yeah.
When is it?
Now?
Ugh. Babe, have you seen my razor?
No.
Do you have Nair?
No.
My God. I gotta improvise. I don't want to look all scruffy, man. Damn. Fuck, this will do.
Oh, would you just look at me? I'm essential. Oh, would you just look at me? I'm essential. Oh, would you just look at me? Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. I'm essential.
Hey, Daddy, she's here.
Hi, how's it going? Nice to meet you.
I'll like the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Please, KENMOR out. Peace.